Guys, today I am super excited. I got my order from Oddity Abyss from her spins. I am super excited. All right, let's see what we got first. Yes! I got little extras. I'm so happy. I am so happy. I saw a couple of these during the spins, and I fell in love with these little fidgety guys. They are so cute. Oh, is that a little bunny? Doggy? Oh, I love them so much. It's so dark in here, sorry. There we go. Ooh, some sprinkles. That's gonna be pretty. Oh, a little hamster or gerbil. So cute. Can't stand it. All right, now my actual order. I guess I don't know if she is calling him Mushu. But it is the Chinese dragon. Sorry for the noise. Oh, that's going to be so pretty to use. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. I know some people are going to be jealous. And then we got the seahorse. Oh, I am so excited to play with these, but I just wanted to get this out here. Let's get this open. Open, open. How do I open? Open. There we go. I am so excited. Yes. Thank you so much, Oddity Abyss. Check them out. She's on Instagram. She also has a website. I will link it in my description. Have a great day. See you guys later. Bye.